Today, I want to talk about Biggie's flow. Biggie had one of the smoothest, most unpredictable flows. And this is what gave his bars the air of, man, I don't know what he's going to say next. Man, it feels like he'll never run out of things to say. He'll always have something slick to say. And I want to show you guys what he did. So that's two things: unpredictable rhyme schemes and putting flavor in the way you say things, all right? If I just say asshole, Mana son of these niggas is asshole. Mana son, I got the back of the bad boy. See, that it's cool because it rhymes. But if I say Mana son of my asshole, Fun son for the like a tadpole, that makes all the difference. It brings emotion, it brings color to what I'm saying. So the first thing that you gotta do is just practice on saying phrases and saying words in different ways, playing with them, stretching them out, putting highs and lows in different places, maybe breaking them up, because this is what gives flow flavor. If you're not playing with, the end of the bar or playing with the rhyme, the flow can sometimes sound vanilla. It can sometimes sound like you're reading off a paper when you're rapping. So this is super important. But let's first get back into the rhyme scheme thing. Say, for instance, I started off a bar with I started off a verse with 2 bars. Life gave me lemons, I made a mixed drink. I'm feeling myself, fuck what a bitch think. All right? Simple enough, right? How a lot of rappers would do it is, for 4 bars, they would make everything rhyme with drink, think, sink, pink. But what Biggie did was, Biggie knew that whatever he said, whatever idea came out of his mind for the next bar, when he was thinking about the next bar, it would lead to a new rhyme scheme, but also a new kind of part of the flow. And so it'd be like, life gave me lemons, I made a mixed drink. I'm feeling myself, fuck what a bitch think about me. How he fucking them hoes, had them touching their toes while they up in the rolls. I call that the Royce, invoice me. The money don't ever come or disappoint me. I'm too cool. New school for food stool for the new ooh. Blocks trust the sus and the sauce dust. They need an Oscar to hand me the Grammy. Came into the family, gripping on the jammy. These niggas can't stand me. I'm down in Miami. 305. To eat the OI or eat the 05s. I'm cool the 9-6 with a fine bitch. That's it. It's all I'm doing is just flipping the rhyme scheme. Whatever I want to say next, a rhyme is gonna come best. Them hoes, they love the sex. Them hoes are other ex boyfriends. Money in front of my choices. None of the oi says. Back to the video. The pretty hoes, they gone. Fun on the farm, but it's a video. The on. It's just playing with rhyme schemes. But Biggie never stood on one rhyme scheme for too long. I'd say probably maybe two, 3 bars at the most, and then he's moving on because, like I said, whatever thought comes to his head, it brings a new rhyme scheme. It brings another flow. I'm gonna play something else that he did, and pay attention also to how he doesn't stay on the same rhyme forever, and so it keeps the flow is not like traditionally how we would think about like a catchy flow and everything. It's not about the flow being catchy with Biggie. It's more about the flow changing and being unpredictable. That's what keeps the attention because it's not staying the same. Started out with asking, niggas in my faction don't like asking questions. Strictly gun testing, coke measuring. And then he keeps moving on. Peep.
Hope you creeps got receipts. My peeps get dirty like cleats.
Right now he's on the eats. The eats rhyme scheme.
Run up in your
Steers my leer, yes my dear. It's adding that swag into what he's saying. He not even going super crazy on it. Steers my leer, yes my dear. I cleared, my money came in, the shit got weird, right? Now, just think of something related to what you said. Shit got weird, shit got crazy. I could say something as simple as that. Shit got weird, shit got crazy. See these hoes try having my babies. After I say these, they looking outside, and I said, that's a Mercedes, Benzo, your friends know, Benzo, your friends know, friends know just what my tempo, that money, come, I I see the deep dimples. I see the dip dimples. It's just flipping the rhyme scheme, and so it's a more freer way of rapping. I've been ghost ever since the check got cleared. When the money came in, then the shit got weird. Shit got crazy. Now these hoes having my babies. They looking outside, and I said that's a Mercedes. Benzo, your friends know just what my tempo. That make her come, cause I seen them deep dimples. Nymphos, nymphos can't get a dime. Nymphos can't get a dime, cause in the nick of time, dial tone when she hit my line. Sorry, this number is changed. This number is changed. I'm up on the plane. I'm up on the plane. Brazilian bitch, French braids. She was giving me brain, and that's it. It's just so fun because it's like you could go wherever, like a surgeon, like a surgeon. The money is fast and urgent. All right, now let's put this to a beat. And yes, I can't spell, but I'm trying to speed through this. Let's see if we got a beat. All right, here we go. And it should fit because it should fit. I'm gonna tell you why it should fit. Is because all of these bar lengths are the same number. So as long as I fit them on the same part of the beat, then it's gonna go. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. I've been ghost ever since the check got cleared. When the money came in, that's when the shit got weird. Shit got crazy. Now these hoes having my babies, they looking outside. And I said that's a Mercedes. Benzo, your friends know just what my tempo. That'll make her come, cause I seen them deep dimples. Nymphos can't get a dime, cause in the nigga time, she could get the dial tone every time she hit my line. Sorry, the number is changed, and I'm up on the plane. Brazilian bitch giving me brain like a surgeon. The money come fast, it's so urgent. The dirty too, I think I'm gonna need detergent. They squirtin'. I hit them like virgins in Virginia with the Sinja for the ninja. Nigga who sent ya. I'm with them ninjas from China with them diamonds and they vaginas. See me in the see the heaty, greedy, graffiti, money, sunsets and greedy. Calicos, I'm on the sunset, the ballados. Crystal spills, my all feels, we all chill. Got water in my watch too. I got the hot food, you looking like the cops too. I'm in Brazil now, to chill how but to feel now. Nigga son with the steel blow. To your dome piece, I got the own east. We on a song, we in Jones Beach. And I'm on New York on the tarmac. Pull a car back, and I told them hoes they could call back. Fall back like the winter, summer, spring, fall. Bring y'all, let them niggas gon' theme dawg. That's on the theme song, I'm on my theme phone. I told the coach, fuck it, I'ma put the team on. I'm on court now, put a or out. Want a short down to the 4 ounce with a or out. Check out my Patreon, where I have tons of content that is guaranteed to transform your skills as a rapper fast. I've seen artists go from good to great in the span of a couple weeks. Also, check out my website, where I have tons of courses on any subject that you may be having trouble with, whether that's flow, melody, or lyrics. Thank you guys, and let's have a great year.